Guys, my name is Mina and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we will be doing, can we get a drum? Unboxing. I received my package finally from SHEIN, and I think they're available in the UK, US, but I'm not sure any other states. Country. Yeah, sorry, I have to use my phone to tell you guys the price. The first thing we have is this cute little hair pins, bobby pins, right? The reason why I got this is because it reminds me of my childhood time. And I also received this. I put the bag in there, and they're called the metallic hoop earring, and they were $1.44, which is not bad. Next, we have this cute little necklace, and it is sequin pendant design chain necklace set, which was $1.91. I think it might be a little bit long, but I like it. I like like elegant, simple jewelry stuff. I think it just stands you out more. I don't like too much of it, so yeah, it's cute. These earrings as well. Let me go ahead and open them, and they're actually cute too. You can actually kind of see like the diamond. For the next item, I ordered one in silver and one in gold, $3.35, which is not bad. Cute. Anyways, moving on to the next item, Decor round drop earrings, which I think really cute. I'm gonna have this one on. Now for the next item, we have here is, I ordered two of these, $1.44 I believe each. Sorry. I am, you guys, literally obsessed. Oh, it's cute, like it fits. And this is $1.44 as well. Not gonna lie, to be honest, the quality of these jewelries are so good, but I think that if it touches water, obviously I think it's gonna go bad because they're not water resistant. We have this cute little rhinestone charm necklace, which was at $3.35. One is called the rhinestone engraved French drop earrings, which was $2.87. Next item is finally the gold bracelets, $2.40. Bead Decor chain bracelet, and this was $1.91. It's not heavy, so it's nice. This is, I think, a necklace. It's cute. Oh my god, it is cute. I also ordered these belts in $4.79. Yeah, two of them. And on to the bags. Now the first one I'm seeing here is the red one, $12.43. I think it's cute. Interior. It's not that bad. $7.55. That's cute opening. Again, plain. Next one I'm seeing here is the black one. It's called the flap chain crossbody bag. Kind of is similar to the red one. And this was $14.34. Has bigger amount of space in there and a little zip bag here. But to be honest, I like this one right now so far. This little twist lock croc embossed bag, which was $7.65. Or to your shoulder, or you can hold it. Metal detail snakeskin pattern crossbody bag. You open it like this, and it's got another little cute zip bag where you can put your stuff. It looks like the final bag is the Twilly scarf. Comes with little strap as well that you can put on. I'm gonna put this inside for now. This is so cute, and you can have it down. Now, oh, there's one more belt, which was $4.79. So Let me just time for the shoes. Snakeskin pattern heel. I like how it has the little cute diamonds on the sides. This is so cute, you guys. It's comfortable as well. Not too bad. Okay, so this is flats and size 36. I don't know what size that would be. I think 6 or 6.5. They're actually really cute. And don't mind my ugly feet. That's because I haven't gotten them done. But yeah, this is another one. It's cute. It's comfortable. The next one, open toe ankle strap, and this was $16.25. Let's go ahead and try these ones on. So this is how it is, which I think is really cute. Honestly, it's kind of too high because I never wore it this high, and oh my god, this is actually cuter than I thought. They're like really comfortable, you guys. Was not expecting this. And this next package, we have this clear looking nude heels. It's called Peep Toe Clear shoes. They were $15.30. Actually, they're not that bad. And they're honestly, all these heels were lightweight. This is also comfortable. I really like how I can like jump as well. But I think it's really cute. Not that bad. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. And I know there was a lot of things, but there's more coming. And total, altogether, actually, I've spent, you guys don't want to know, $329.71. And I think it's worth it. Because everything's comfortable. Everything was comfortable. The jewelry, which I really loved. And especially this cute little bag, floral one. When I saw the picture of this, I was like, oh my god, I have to get this one. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye.